Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another video. It has finally happened. We have got let's say a favourable decision for XRP and for Ripple in their court case against the SEC. It's been a long time coming. And here we go. Look at this chart. This chart is absolutely exquisite. Look how well these levels have been respected as well. Finally broken out of that goddamn bear market resistance from last bear market. Really massive. What is this, 100% move? 100, just over 100% before the retracement move to the upside. Absolutely crazy gains. Congratulations to everyone who's holding XRP. You've all done extremely well on this, most likely. Look at this. I mean, just congratulations for holding this throughout this period of uncertainty that we've seen really for the past few years with XRP. Currently sitting at around just under 80 cents for XRP. You can see this absolutely ungodly candle that we saw yesterday. These hourly candles were crazy. We ran all the way up to the 618 at around 91 cents there. And now consolidating and coiling up, maybe for continuation or maybe for retracement. I mean, after such a crazy pump, it's impossible to know really. I would say my bias would always be, after such a crazy pump, you're going to come and fill some of this space here. But after this crazy news for XRP, who knows, man? Absolutely who knows, to be honest. Right now, I'm just enjoying the high of seeing this thing run 100% in one day. It's clear that this can happen. This has happened in many instances before in bull markets. But for XRP, I mean, that's, what is that, $20 billion in 3 hours? Absolutely crazy. People absolutely piling into this asset. Really insane. What is next right now? Really, I'm looking at this coiling motion that we're seeing here. I think we could see a retracement realistically to fill some of this gap here, but I do think that any move to the downside is probably going to get gobbled up pretty quickly. Congratulations to anyone who was down here buying at like anywhere from like 30 to 40 cents. By the way, you've done extremely well over the past few days. The past day, not even the past day yet, because of this. So as always, I truly appreciate all the support on the channel. You guys are absolutely amazing. I do think that it's incredibly hard to tell right now what's going to happen next for this, but if we're just taking a quick look at levels, you can see pretty much perfectly come up, tested the 618, got the rejection. Obviously, have a nice back test of that 050 as well, and right now we're probably going to get caught between these two levels. I would say at around 75 cents and up towards that 93 cent level, maybe at around up to around that dollar level. But I mean, it's anyone's guess now really, isn't it? XRP has been unleashed. I'm not touching this with any trades right now because it is so hard to know what's going to happen next. But in my humble opinion, I am getting the impression that we are going to see some crazy volatility for this and the wider crypto market over the next few weeks because of this ruling. It's a massive win for crypto. I'm very happy to see it. We could see here even Bitcoin came up and made a new swing high around 31.9k there. So we'll see what happens next. But right now, waiting and seeing what's going to happen. And we will basically catch you in the next video. So as always, guys, you're all absolute legends. Thank you very much for watching. Love you all very much indeed. Like and subscribe, get involved. Absolutely crazy win for XRP and for the whole of crypto. This is a very good time for crypto. I've just absolutely butchered my chart somehow. Let me get that back open for you. And right now, we're waiting to see what happens next. See you in a bit. Cheers.